At Powersport Junction in Guelph, we carry everything from motorcycles, ATVs, to powered lawn and garden equipment. In our service department, there's always someone there to help you with your service and repair needs. We also carry a number of garden supplies, such as lawn mowers, snow blowers, and power equipment from Toro, Echo, Lawn Boy, and Arlen's. At Powersport Junction, we have everything from leaf blowers to motorcycles. We also supply sporting safety apparel, as well as pre-owned power sports items and trucks. Call, stop by, or visit online, where you'll find listings for our parts database, new and used motorcycles, and other power sports items.